Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Thursday, June 11th, 2026 at 13:44, and today we have our Day 2 outlook to look at for tomorrow. So in tomorrow's Day 2 outlook, we've got a slight risk that encompasses parts of eastern Tennessee, extreme northern northwestern South Carolina, western to northern North Carolina, eastern Kentucky, all of Virginia, most of West Virginia, all of Maryland, Washington, D.C., central to eastern Pennsylvania, including my area, all of New Jersey, all of Delaware, eastern part of New York State, western Connecticut, western Massachusetts, and northern to southern Vermont. So we do have those areas under a slight. We have a marginal risk that encompasses parts of western New Hampshire, parts of eastern Vermont, central Massachusetts, central to eastern Connecticut, going back through parts of central New York State, central to southwestern Pennsylvania, western West Virginia, parts of eastern Kentucky, going into parts of middle Tennessee, back through extreme northeastern Alabama, northern Georgia, northern South Carolina, and central North Carolina. We also have a marginal risk that encompasses parts of southeastern Colorado, southwestern Kansas, western Oklahoma, northwestern Texas Panhandle, and parts of eastern to central New Mexico and western Texas. So we do have those areas under a marginal risk for tomorrow. So let's go ahead and see what we've got. Much lighter day tomorrow. We have New York, Philadelphia, Baltimore, Washington, D.C., and Virginia Beach under the slight, and Charlotte, Amarillo, Syracuse, Greenville, and Rock Hill under the marginal. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for tomorrow. No tornado risk for tomorrow, so that's very good to see. Here's the wind risk for tomorrow. We have a 30% that encompasses parts of eastern West Virginia, northern and central Virginia, Washington, D.C., central to southern Maryland, northern and central Delaware, southern to eastern Pennsylvania, including my area, all of New Jersey, southeastern New York State, and we have a 15% that encompasses parts of southern to northern Vermont, western New Hampshire, western Massachusetts, western Connecticut, eastern and central New York State, central Pennsylvania, extreme western Maryland, parts of eastern to central West Virginia, eastern Kentucky, central to eastern Tennessee, parts of western to northern North Carolina, and extreme northern South Carolina, as well as southern Virginia. We have a 5% that encompasses parts of eastern Vermont, western New Hampshire, central Massachusetts, eastern Connecticut, central New York State, central Pennsylvania, western West Virginia, eastern Kentucky, middle Tennessee, extreme northeastern Alabama, extreme northern Georgia, extreme northern South Carolina, central North Carolina, and we have another 5% that encompasses parts of southeastern Colorado, southwestern Kansas, western Oklahoma, northwestern Texas Panhandle, eastern and central New Mexico, and western Texas. So we do have those areas under a 5% for tomorrow. We have New York, Philadelphia, Baltimore, Washington, and Newark under the 30%. Virginia Beach, Raleigh, Norfolk, Greensboro, and Chesapeake under the 15%. And Charlotte, Amarillo, Syracuse, Greenville, and Rock Hill under the 5%. So for the 30% area, we could see up to 80-mile-per-hour wind gusts possible tomorrow. 15%, we could see up to 60 to 75-mile-per-hour wind gusts possible. 5%, we could see 60 to 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts possible, so please be mindful of that. Going into the hail threat for tomorrow, we have a 5% that encompasses parts of southeastern Colorado, southwestern Kansas, western Oklahoma, northwestern Texas Panhandle, eastern to central New Mexico, and western Texas. We also have a 5% over here that encompasses eastern Tennessee, western North Carolina, western to central to northern Virginia, eastern West Virginia. Washington, D.C. is in there, and parts of extreme eastern West Virginia Panhandle as well in there. So, and extreme southeastern Maryland. So we do have those areas under a 5% for tomorrow. So we have Washington, D.C., Arlington, Knoxville, Alexandria, and Roanoke under the 5%. So we could see an we could see 1 to 2 inch downward hail possible in the 2% area tomorrow. Going into the summary for tomorrow, it says clusters of thunderstorms may develop across the Appalachians into mid-Atlantic Friday afternoon through Friday evening, accompanied by potential to produce damaging wind gusts. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. There's tomorrow's hail risk. There's tomorrow's wind risk. Whoa, hello. There we go. There's no tornado risk for tomorrow, so there's tomorrow's day 2 outlook. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. Yes, even if you are under a marginal risk, you still want to remain weather aware and safe, as you never know what these storms can do in the marginals. Anyway, I do really hope that you have a great rest of your day. Take today to prepare for tomorrow, and I will go over this outlook again tomorrow morning when it becomes day 1. In the meantime, stay weather aware, stay safe, and take care.